I am going to show you how to tie waist beads on yourself. I already cut off the excess that was too long for this waist beads, and all the beads flew over everywhere, so I had to put some back on. So when I say that my waist beads are adjustable, it means that as long as they're longer than your waist size, then you can adjust it. So you just cut the string like around this, I guess what, a couple of inches further down from where you know you want to tie, and remove the beads so you'll have some string to tie. And I think this is where I want it to be. And generally you want to put it on your skin. And I like for people to do it themselves, to look in the mirror and see exactly where you want it to fit. I think this is perfect for me. So I already removed the beads, and the only thing you'll do is the exact same method as on the other video. But I'm going to show you actually tying on someone, because I didn't actually tie that one on someone. So as you can see, 2 strings. It's so easy. So people say it's so difficult, they're intimidated by the tying process, but it's easy. So you see I'm just making an X with the strings, and it's the same method as you tying your shoestrings. So I'm just taking that one, taking that string, going over the other one. See, I made an X and I went underneath, using those 2 fingers within that circle, and bring the other string in. So that was once. Doing the same thing again. So you just keep on tying several times, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times is good. I don't have a problem with my waist beads breaking, no matter it's cotton string or elastic. Probably because I tie them so many times. I don't know. The only one that ever broke on me is a clasp, and I don't make those unless it's a custom order. So as you can see, I'm just cutting the beads. And there you go. That's simple. That's it. So I'm going to show the other beads that I have on in another video.